some small dogs tend to be more aggressive in general, not even just with other dogs, because they're allowed to. There's so many times we get large dogs, we understand we have to socialize and build their confidence and do all these things. And with small dogs, we don't. We think, oh, it's just a little lap dog. We treat them kind of like a cat in the house. They're just showered with affection. They don't really have much structure or anything else like that, which ends up causing dogs to be insecure, to be lacking confidence, which leads to aggression. People tend to think it's not so serious and it's ignored until it really channels itself and builds up into a real issue. If they're treated like large dogs from day one, you very rarely see these issues with small dogs. It all comes down to proper structure as puppies, proper socialization, building their confidence, teaching them to be neutral around other dogs the same way you would with a large dog, right? You wouldn't get a German Shepherd and be surprised that they had some aggression towards dogs. And small dogs are the same way.